Okay, hi everybody. If you're new to the shop, my name is Sam. This is my workshop, and this is the CNC enclosure I just built. If you're not new to the workshop, then you know I built this last November and just never put a video out. Crushed part 1, crushed part 2, part 3, I just kind of dropped the ball. And so here it is. The only caveat is that I don't have an intro piece. I wasn't like, okay, so I've done part 1 and 2, here's part 3, this is what I'm thinking, blah, blah, blah. It's mostly just like a lot of footage. This thing took forever to build, and I was just kind of on the last leg, so I pressed it out. With that said, it's a good video, so watch it. It's really good, I promise. And if you like it, definitely like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Now, at the end of the video, after this video, I am, and I promise I am, going to do a walk around. Ali will tape me and I'll show you kind of like all the different things that I did to make this really cool. So if you're on board, thank you. Watch the video, stay tuned for the next part. I promise it's coming. I will do it soon. I won't wait a year. I know, I won't wait a year.
Up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good, had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good, I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning, without you by my side. less, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up in the middle of the night, all alone.